Yeah, let's go. Let's do this so I can watch it.
I'm really scared. What are you gonna give me?
Look. Let's go. I'll give you strength because you're no pussy right now. Let's go. I'm gonna do this again too with with Rachel, Anita, and Maria.
Let's see how this goes.
Yeah. All right. Let's go. 1, 2. Why do you have it next to mine? I don't understand. Go, Miriam. Okay. 1, 2. Wait, that was me being sick. Alright, you have to do it, I swear. It's a challenge. You say 1. Okay. Miriam, just put it in your mouth. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, they just did it and they see me like they're dying. Yeah! 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 What's up? Keep going. Keep going. Yeah! Yeah, that's cinnamon. I told you. I warned you. He said no. It's just cinnamon. It's just cinnamon. I'm a stupid Cuban. Because, like, they're over here showing me that, like, the friends making all